Hey guys, so I found this awesome PC tower case at a garage sale 2 days ago, or no, yesterday morning, for 15 bucks. I don't think the guy realized that he had two hard drives in it, one 40 gig and one 60 gig, and that he had an optical drive and a floppy drive in it, and the power supply. So here's the case. I think he said it was like 4 years old, so that's a pretty good, age, but it does not have a motherboard, CPU, or any of that stuff, but it does have the optical drive. In fact, if I can open this. Okay. Stay. Good boy. So yeah, you can see the optical drive right there. If I can just open this. See, optical drive, and then it has the floppy. And then one 80 gigabyte hard drive, and then 140 up there. I'm not sure what's on there. I have no way to check until I finish building it. But yeah, it's got cheap power supply and some other stuff. It kind of looks like an Alienware case, although I know it's probably not. But yeah, the guy said it was 4 years old. So I'm hopefully going to be ordering parts in the next little bit. Let me just see if I can make this look any better. See, this is really nothing down there. I think I can have up to 4 hard drives, so I'm probably going to put a 1 terabyte hard drive in there. Probably going to triple boot with Ubuntu, Windows 7, and try and put Mac OS 10 on it. So yeah, I'm just going to get a cheap little motherboard. And probably not a cheap motherboard, but whatever. And I'm gonna get a Wi-Fi adapter and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna try to put it together and either use it for editing videos or sell it to get myself an iPad. So hopefully by the time I sell it, the iPad 3 is gonna be out. But yeah, it's got these nice pretty little fans right there, and then there's also one on the opening right there. The dude said they light up. I'm not sure if they do because I haven't seen any LEDs, but I'm gonna trust him, take his word for it. So yeah, it's got a nice little acrylic window on it. And yeah, it's 4 years old, like I mentioned before, and I'm not really sure what these are for. If anyone has any idea, like up here there's this little front panel cover thing, but there's two USB 2.0s and the audio recording and audio out and stuff. But I'm not really sure as to what these are. So if anyone has any idea as to what they are, can you please tell me? I'd really love to know. But so yeah. Overall, I think $15, you can't go wrong with that. Like, that's $15 for all of this. I put this probably like $100 in total. I'm not sure if the hard drives work or not. That's the thing that's kind of making me nervous. But the 40 gig's gonna be for Ubuntu, and then I'm gonna split a 1 terabyte and the 80 gig with Mac OS 10 and Windows 7. So yeah, that's my this is my new project for a while. Yeah, I think it looks cool. I like it. So yeah. So yeah. Bye guys. Please respond, comment down below, and subscribe up top. And thanks for watching my video.